Let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome to East Vancouver. This is the area that I grew up in since coming to Canada many years ago, and I'm sitting here at ET restaurant. Now I have a lot of photos that I take in here, but I haven't shot any videos here yet because I usually come here with camera girl. It's usually my day off. Camera girl does not want me to be shooting YouTube videos, but what they do have here that I really enjoy, it's a nice cup of Hong Kong style milk tea and in the official black and white cups here. So let me just take a sip. Thank you, Ellen, for that second cup of milk tea. And I'm here to do a unboxing of my strap here, my COOPH BHT Orange Armour strap. I realized I haven't done an official unboxing video, and since my X Pro 3 with the 35 f1.4 and the square hood, since it's naked, I thought I would put a strap on here. Now it's going to be loud, and so hopefully this lavalier setup is good enough and it's not picking too much of the ambient noise in here, but if so, I apologize. The strap here, it took a while to get that logo, so you guys know that that is my logo over here on the box. And the packaging is pretty simple. Let's just open this up here. This is my spatter coat. All right. And so packaging on the COOPH products are all pretty much the same. They all come in a nice little pouch that you can repurpose as, I sometimes put lenses in here. Sometimes I just put like little knickknacks and things. So it's nice to have this nice reusable pouch, and look at that. Bada bing. So COOPH makes the official rope straps for Leica. And so on one side, they will have the COOPH logo right here. And these are really nice Italian veg tan leather with the German stainless steel rings. But on the other side, look at the other side right here. Look at that. BHT logo, BHT logo. And this is US made nautical rope. But of course, I picked the colors because you guys know Take likes hits of orange, hits of red in all my things. Like my bags and my usual things are pretty simple, but I love just a little bit of punch of color. Like even on this X Pro 3, having that brass thumb rest is also from Square Hood, and as well as the brass shutter release is also from Square Hood. Just having little hits of color is really nice. And so this strap here is 100 cm, so I'm gonna put it on right now in real time. I was surprised at how much people struggle putting these straps, these rings on. I don't know if I can show you on screen, but I just put my nail in on one side. I mean, I think it's pretty simple. As I say that, I'm struggling. So once I get one side in using my nails, and that's maybe the thing, I cut my nails just enough so that there's a little bit of, I play guitar, so I need a little bit of nails. And once it's in, you just spin it. So I don't know why people struggle putting these things on, but another superpower I didn't realize I had. And then same thing on the other side, you just basically put it, you line it up like this, and it's not gonna work on camera because it's too hard to do reverse. But again, I just basically put my thumb, my nail in here, and I crack it open a little bit like this. See, so I have it in here, and then I just spin it until it's fully on. Bang, it's in. And this is the length right here. So I'm gonna stand up here. So for someone like me, 5'5", it hits my belly button. And I've asked around, I think I've mentioned this in other videos. I have friends that are 6'5", 6'4", and I ask them like, what length do you like? If you like crossbody, again, in a t-shirt, crossbody is fine. And even kind of behind body like this, it works out. But a lot of Leica shooters, and also for those of us that don't chimp, so on the X Pro 3, you're not always looking down at the screen. 100 cm is just the right length. Now I'm going to show you another strap I have here. Is the parachuter strap from Wotancraft. I also enjoy this on the XH2. It uses the slotted lugs, and so ring style doesn't work. So if you have a slotted lug camera, you need to modify this somehow, or you just Pat Domingo it and just put rings on a slotted lug. But the Peak Design clip system is very practical. I don't think it looks sexy, but it's very functional. And Walton Craft did say that this is their #1 selling strap style using the PD, the Peak Design connectors. I even put a little piece of gaffer on the back because the back is metal. There is a chance that you can hit your camera, you can hit or scratch your camera body. But with this style here, there is a nice leather backing, as you can see, so there's no way of damaging your camera. And I just personally think this looks great. You can put a little loop on here like this, and now it becomes a wrist strap, right? You hold it like this, and now you have a wrist strap. And so I think it's pretty versatile on a camera that isn't overly heavy. I think it works out perfectly fine. And so this is my unboxing and first look. It's not really a first look because I love this strap because I helped develop it. But this is a strap. I'll put links down below. You can get it directly from COOPH. And if you're in town in Vancouver, you can buy it from Revolver Coffee online, or you can pick it up in store. And I do have a few left still. And so if you want to buy it directly from me, I do sell these straps here as well. And so I'm about ready to go out and shoot a video. What I'm doing is basically I do have the XH2 with the new 16-255-28 RLMWR. And I'm basically trying to show you that, look, for those of you that need, like you do event photography, wedding photography, you need to quickly jump around in focal length. This is a great lens, but as an everyday carry, I mean, this is kind of a pain, right? Having this on your side, it's pretty darn big compared to something like this, right? So for me, having a dedicated prime, so this is a 35-1.4, so you're getting like a 50mm equivalent. At f1.4, you're getting 2 stops extra on a setup like this versus having something, look at this honking thing here. And so my conclusion basically, so maybe you don't need to watch my other video, but my conclusion is for someone like me who can get used to a specific focal length, I'm happy with having a prime and a smaller body. But if you do events, you do weddings, you do those kind of things, it is nice to have something like this. And one of the biggest complaints of the original lens was it was a little bit too big, it was a little bit too heavy. And so it is nice that Fujifilm shrunk this. And I also have one more lens, this guy here. This is the 500mm f5.6. And so I barely used it, so I'm gonna test it a little bit today. And so today is a busy, fun-packed day. And so thank you so much for watching. Let me just take another sip here. This almost feels like a Chinatown confession, but first of all, I'm not in Chinatown and I'm not confessing anything. I'm actually trying to talk about my strap here. Oh, well, here. I'm trying to talk about my strap here. And thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon, and happy. Well, you know what? When you have this all curled up like this, there you go. Put it on my neck like this. Thank you so much for watching, and happy shooting. Peace. Hello everyone, and welcome to ET. What's the full name here? Maybe it's just ET. And I didn't know what it stood for until you see right up there it says Eat and T. And so welcome to ET here in East Vancouver.